Looking for a spooky cute idea for Halloween? The Jack Skellington Keychain, my original design, is the perfect project to crochet this season. Fun, quick, and perfect to add a little Halloween vibes to your bag or case. Hey cozy crochet friends, I'm Nazanin and welcome to my crochet corner. Fall is just around the corner and means it's the perfect time to start some cozy autumn and Halloween project. Today, I'm super excited to share a very special design with you. The keychain, which is my own design, is the perfect project to kick off the spooky season. Let's dive right in. You will need these small wooden beads for the head. You can find them on online websites like Amazon's or eBay or simply at your local craft stores. We'll also need a pencil and the eraser to draw a little face on the wooden bead, and we need markers and maybe a white correction pen is optional but it's very helpful for adding details. We need these little pom-poms and the hook that's suitable for your yarn. I'm using 2.5mm crochet hook with the cotton yarn. I'm using the black color, but I'm making it first with a white one that you can see the stitches, and we need a pair of scissors and a needle, and also we need the keyrings. You can use any type of the keyring you like, and you can don't use it if you want. We need a warm glue for fixing the head and the hands. Okay, using a pencil, we gently start sketching the face of our little wooden beads, though no need to press to pencil too hard. I begin with the eyes, 2 circles for each eyes, and after that I make the nose for it with 2 lines, and next we sketch the mouth for it. If you had a mistake, you can fix it with eraser. Don't worry, just sketching your face. And after that, start coloring with the marker. Begin with filling the eyes, filling them very slowly. Okay, go for the other one. If you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, please hit that notification bell and the subscribe button so you won't miss out my upcoming tutorials from the autumn and the Halloween. Okay, add more extra detail for the eyes. If you have leftover yarns in your home and you don't know what should you do with them, check out my leftover yarn playlist. I promise to you, you can find many projects in there that you will fall in love with them. Okay, go for the nose, and now move on to the mouth, and I'm gonna making a few small lines over the lip line for him. Okay, and done. Our Jack Skellington face is ready, and now we're gonna move to the body and make the body for it. Here is the face. It's perfect, isn't it? Okay, for the body I'm using the white color in the first because I want to show you the stitches very well. Make a slip knot on my hook Now I'm gonna making 14 chains. Grab a yarn, pull through the loops, make 14 stitches. Okay, now wrap a yarn around your hook. Insert your hook into the third chain from the hook. Grab a yarn, bring it out. Grab a yarn and pull through all the loops. Here's our first half double crochet. Now we're gonna making 3 more half double crochet in the same chain space. The second one, third one, and the fourth one. And from now, make 4 half double crochet into the each next chain until the end of the row when you reach to the first chain. Okay, continue with making 4 half double crochet into the each stitches until the end. Okay, I move to the black color, make 3 chains in the end and join with the slip stitch to the first chain. Okay, now I'm rolling up my stitches to help them to shape very well. Okay, and now I'm gonna making chains for the strap. 14 chains for the strap. If you want, you can make 45 or 15 for the longer strap. Okay, just continue with making chains that you reach to the desired size. If you're new on my channel and if you're a beginner or have a little experience in crochet, please check out my channel, and if you like my videos, I'll be happy to have you here to my crochet family. Okay, insert your hook into the first chain, make a slip stitch and chain and cut the yarn and fasten off. If you like this video, please share it with your friends that you know they love to crochet too. Your support truly means the world to me. Okay, here is the body and here is the back strap. Bring your head, insert your hook inside it, grab chains and bring it out. Here is our Jack Skellington. Now we're gonna making the hands for it by making 35 chains. If you want, you can make a few more chains for it because he's very tall, isn't he? Okay, continue with making chains for the hands, and after that all we need to do is that join the hands to the body with the needle. Okay, let me check out. Okay, it's fine. Cut the yarn and bring my needle and move between the body from this side to the other side. And now I'm gonna attach the little balls, the felt ball, to the hand by needle. Insert my needle inside it and bring it out. After that, I fix it by the warm glue. Just let me join the balls to the hand, and now I'm gonna fix it by the warm glue. A little is fine. Okay, the other one, and cut the yarns. Do the same for the legs. Make 35 or 14 chains for the legs. Okay, insert your needle from the bottom to the out, and for the other leg again insert your needle from the bottom, the inside of it, and bring it out. And again, join the little balls to it. You can find these little balls in the craft stores too, okay? You can use anything you like, the wooden beads or anything. Let me fix the head with the warm glue and done. Cut the tail of the yarns from the legs, and that's it. Here is our Jack Skellington. It's very simple, as you can see. It's a very perfect gift for the Halloween, or you can sell it. If you want, you can attach it a keyring. You can use any type of the keyring you like. If you want, you can use anything, okay? And that's it, my lovelies. We've finished the beautiful Jack Skellington together. I hope you had much fun as I did. I made it in different version at first. If you want this tutorial, you can find it in my live video. You can find it in my channel. And done. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you in next video. Bye.